Welcome to this new video, link to previous video, as I promised that in next video I will teach you first step of designing. In previous video we discussed about this G+4 building, that we will complete design of G+4 building, and I divided this designing into many steps. First step is shop's load schedule. So today I am going to teach you how we can make load schedule for a shop. These all things: rating of main incomer, ELCB section rating, MCB rating, CCT wire size, ECC wire size, I already discussed, and you can watch my previous video if you have any confusion about these things. So directly I will start load schedule. This load schedule is for shop. So first here in location I will write shop. In small shops 4 lights are enough, and here I will write 4 lights. MCB size for the lights will be 10 ampere. CCT wire size will be 2.5 mm. ECC wire size will be 2.5 mm. 4 lights, and each lights 100 watt. It means that on red phase there will be a load of 400. Next, in this section 4 lights are enough. Here I will write space. I am not giving any point to this yellow phase. In shops there will be a point for signboard, because there will be signboard for every shop. So breaker will be same 10 ampere. Sorry, for signboard we will use a breaker of 20 ampere, and wire size will be same. Its load will be it depends upon size of the signboard, but I think 800 is enough. So here on yellow phase nothing, and on blue phase I will write 800. Now this lighting section is closed for shop. In lighting section there are 4 lights and 1 signboard, and the rating of ELCB will be 40 ampere, 4 pole, 100 milliampere. As I already told you that ELCB rating for lights will be 40 ampere, 4 pole, 100 milliampere. So whenever you design lighting section, you have to mention the rating of ELCB 40 ampere, 4 pole, 100 milliampere. Now in next section, this section is for power sockets. Again I will write here shop three sockets enough for shop. Each sockets 200 watt per unit. It means that on a red phase again there will be a load of 400. We have only 2 points, that's why I will write here no. Here will be ONT socket. For telecom system, its watt per unit will be 400. So I will write here 400. There is a mistake here. In shop there are 3 13 ampere sockets, each sockets 200 watt. so here will be 600. Next, here I will write space. On one ELCB, minimum phase will be 3. We cannot reduce from 3. Maximum they can be 9, but minimum their number will be 3. That's why here I have 3 phase, and I have only 2 points, and 1 point I have nothing. That's why I write here space. Next section is for AC. ELCB rating for AC and for lights will be same. ELCB rating different for power socket section. As you can watch, ELCB rating is 40 ampere, 4 pole, 30 milliampere. Memorize these values so that you can design accurately. Here breaker size will be 20 ampere for sockets, wire will be 4 mm, and ECC will be 4 mm. For ONT same, 20 ampere, 4 mm, and then 4 mm. And here is space, it means that nothing is here. This section is completed. Now power socket, for AC. How can we calculate value of AC for shop? It depends upon the size of the shop, then level of sunlight, then we have to do estimation that how many person visit on daily basis. So on the basis of thermal calculation, we will calculate the rating of AC. But normally for a small shop, 3000 watt is enough for a shop. It will be 3-phase AC, so I will write here MCB rating like this. Its wire will be 6 mm, and single core means ECC will be 6 mm. Here I will write AC for shop. This is CU, condensing unit. Its load will be 3 kilowatt. I will divide this load on 3 phase. So 1000 watt will be on each phase. As you know, there are two machines in AC. One is CU and one is FCU. One is condensing unit and other is fan coil unit. So here on any phase I can give FCU. I am giving it on yellow phase. I will write space on red phase, then FCU, and FCU rating will be 20 ampere, and wire for FCU will be 4 mm. Here again there is nothing to connect, so I will write space. 500 FCU enough, and here on yellow phase I will write its load 500. Now I will sum up all loads on red phase, and this is 200 watt. Next on yellow phase, it's 1900. Here 1800. Total load will be 4700 watt. It means that it is 4.7 kilowatt. What will be the rating of 4.7 kilowatt in ampere? It will be 8.178 ampere. And you know, if the value of ampere rating value will be less than 40 ampere, we will use main incomer of 40 ampere. If value of ampere rating is more than 40 and less than 60, we will use main incomer 63 ampere. Cable size for 40 ampere will be 4 core 16 mm and single core will also be 16 mm. So here is the load schedule for the shop. Hope so you understand all things. In next video we will make a load schedule for flat, and then step by step we will cover all designing. Thanks for watching. Till the next video. Allah Hafiz.